Hello you guys and welcome to my channel and welcome to Tuesdays in the Attic, where we are doing Dusty Attic sketches. We are on week 42 this lovely Tuesday. We are also playing with a beautiful new ScrapRoom kit from the ScrapRoom. This is the second half of the double shot kit for this month. It's fabulous. It's also everyday inspiration. So I'll have for you some inspiration from a fellow scrapbooker here shortly. But let me get through and show you what's all in this half of the double shot kit. This half is a Siimple Stories Harvest Market. Loving the colors. It goes with my nails quite well. The double shot kit is kind of just a smaller sampling of two collections that you can get from the ScrapRoom. You get two different mini kits of two different collections, all with cardstock, pattern paper, and embellishments. They are two different collections from the Flavors of the Month kit, which is also 4. So if you want all the things, you get both the kits. If you want just a little sampling, you get the double shot kit. And it gives you a nice amount of play with something new that's out there, which is what I love. So let's go through what's within Harvest Market here. We get a sheet of Harvest Season, which are these beautiful printed pumpkins on like a ledger paper, which is super fun. Siimple Stories is always really good at their pattern papers. And then this gorgeous plaid. And then we get this one, Hello Autumn, which is a beautiful, beautiful orange, like picnic basket or picnic blanket type gingham. Beautiful. And then the other side, I'm already peeking on the branding strip, are their latest thing of doing these hexagons, which are super fun for fussy cutting and using for embellishments. Yeah, super cute. Love it. And then this, I love this color. This is Nuts About Fall is the pattern paper. This is I'm always wondering, like, is the A side the side with the branding strip name, or is that the B side? Because the name of it tells me this is the A side, Nuts About Fall, and this is B side. I'm a huge B side fan if that's the case, because I like semi-solids or subtle patterns, but these are fun. I'm totally fussy cutting some of those out. And then you're going to get 3 pieces of cardstock with the double shot kit. In the Flavors of the Month kit, you only get 2 pieces of cardstock. So the double shot kit, you get 3. So this one, we actually get a beautiful sheet of Capri Sea cardstock from Basil textured, and 2 sheets of textured white cardstock as well. Got a lot of white cardstock this month. All right, on to the embellishments. We've got these beautiful papers. The embellishments are going to vary because you just get a sampling. So I happen to get the alpha sheet from the Siimple Stories sticker book. This is going to vary in everybody's kit. So you're going to get a different sheet from the sticker book with everybody, but I ended up getting the alpha stickers, which is awesome. You're going to get a 6th pack of foam stickers, which is also going to vary. So that big, beautiful foam sticker sheet, you're going to get a 6th pack. I love that I got a few leaves and 2 good titles. You're going to get some journaling bits and 3 Siimple Stories buttons. So here, oh, there's one of my buttons. There's another little button. And here's another little button. Cute. And then these are the journaling bits, and this is only a 6th of the pack. So this is what I love about the ScrapRoom kits, is that sometimes these manufacturers make giant collections. They're huge. This is a 6th. This is enough to do a few pages. I get to sample this beautiful collection, and then I don't have a ton of it, and I'm trying to use it up. Now, obviously, if you really, really love something and you want more of it, you know where you can get more of it. But if you are like me and you want all the things, this is a good way. So this is going to vary on everybody's packets as well. You're just going to get a 6th of this. Or no, not a 6th. That was the foam stickers. This is just some. So this is just some. I don't even know how many it is. I'm guessing she just grabs a handful. But these are beautiful, very detailed flowers. They almost look like the realistic, but not. It's kind of interesting. I love this. Another title thing. That's cute little market. Ooh, this is a cute little like label tag. Cute little journaling bits. A nice little scale. This is beautiful. Cup of hot cocoa and a few leaves, which is awesome because I have some foam ones. So now I have a few more to layer up with those foam ones. So these are the bits the journaling bits I got, and I love their journaling bits, so that's super fun. I do not have photos picked out, and if you saw that sketch I just showed, and I'll have it up in the corner, we have lots of photos to add. So I'm going to go dig for some photos for this, and we'll get going on that sketch. And then I'll talk about everyday inspiration here in a second as well, but I gotta find some photos. I'll be right, you guys. I've picked out my papers and got them all laid down. Now to save money, to save papers, this is something you can do, and you don't have to be a hoarder like me, but I really wanted some more of this blue cardstock. So I didn't necessarily want to waste it, but I wanted to frame my layout with it. So what I did is I gutted it, but then I laid it down on a piece of pink that I will not use. I don't use a lot of bright pink in my scrapbooking, and I have tons of that bright. I got like a multi-pack, like one of those multi-pack of colored cardstocks, and that's the color I tend to use the least amount. So I put the frame of the Caribbean blue, is that what I said it was? I think it's Caribbean blue, down. And then I was able to use pieces, so I wasn't able to use this whole plaid either, which was nice. So I've just got chunks. This is basically pieced together. So I have a 2.5 inch strip here. These are 2.5 by 4.5. These are just 1.5 inch strips that are 12 inches. This is the only one that's like a whole chunk. Like, it just looks like the illusion of the layers when that's actually not what's happening, which I really love. So I have my photos trimmed down. I'm gonna do one big one over here instead of two small ones. I've got two small ones there. I've got that one, and then we've got these two. Perfect. So this I did 4.5, because these are 4 inches wide. So I did 4.5, so I've got a little 1/4 inch around each edge. And I've got those are set. Look how awesome that looks. And then I have room for a great title right there. So I think I'm also, though, to make sure my photos pop a little bit, I think I am going to mat them all on some white cardstock, and then we have these awesome embellishments we can play with to add embellishments to our page. So I'm going to get all these photos matted, and then I'm going to glue them down, and then we're going to start looking through the embellishments and see what we can use on this page. I'll be back. All right, after I got my photos down, I started playing with the embellishments I had. I wanted to do crisp apples, so I used the stickers I have and used the crisp from the thickers. I think I'm going to use this ephemera piece, a leaf, these buttons around the title, some more of these leaves. I have this label, this sun, put that in the corner of my photo, and these wood veneer leaves, and then we'll sprinkle some of these puffy leaves as well. So that's kind of the plan. This is a spot for journaling, essentially. I think, oh, and the everyday inspiration photo was this, by the way. Perfect, because that is a pumpkin patch. We're at it's actually an apple orchard, but picking fall inspired this. The orange was one of the reasons I decided I wanted to do the orange strip in the middle. So it all comes together. I could maybe do my journaling spot right there. We'll see about that. But I'm going to get this stuff glued down, but I wanted to show you guys where we were at so far. I think I'm going to put the date on there, and yeah, we'll go from there. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you go check out Dusty Attic Sketches, and also check out the ScrapRoom for this amazing ScrapRoom kit for this month, if it's still available. Hopefully it is. Usually there is some left. And check out the ScrapRoom group for a bunch of inspiration, and down below will be everybody else who's playing with everyday inspiration, inspired by MK this month. I don't think I said that either. Inspired by MK, so that is what we have. So thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.